Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with TransUnion, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the TransUnion website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide your personal information, including name, address, and social security number. Verify your identity through the provided prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Explore the available features and tools designed for budgeting. Select the option to create a new budget. Input your income sources, including salary and any side jobs. Detail your monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Categorize your expenses to see where your money is going. Set financial goals for short-term and long-term achievements. Use the budgeting calculator to understand your financial standing. Review and adjust your budget as needed to align with your goals. Save your budget to track progress over time. Check your budget regularly to ensure you remain on track. Utilize any alerts or reminders offered by TransUnion to stay informed. Consider revisiting your budget after significant life changes. Take advantage of educational resources provided by TransUnion to enhance your budgeting skills. Lastly, download the TransUnion app for easy access to your budget on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.